Yum. Do you like popsicles? I love popsicles. Hey, if you get the popsicles with the sticks, save your sticks because I have an activity for you to do. I'm Mary. I'm a master gardener from McKean County, and I'm going to show you how to make a Bumblebee Kazoo, which you can make with either craft sticks or popsicle sticks. To make your Bumblebee Kazoo, you will need 2 little pieces of straws. And these are you can use just a regular thin drink straw, but I have found that the fatter milkshake straws work a little better. And you'll need a pair of scissors just to cut your little pieces. It doesn't matter exactly how long they are, but about 1 inch long. You'll need 2 craft sticks. And each of those craft sticks you need to wrap a rubber band around, and the best rubber bands are the great big fat ones. And you'll wrap the rubber band around longwise. And for one of those 2 craft sticks, you want to slide one of the straw pieces under and push it down to the very end. You're almost done, actually. This is a really easy kazoo to make. The next thing you want to do is just lay the other straw on top, and then put the other craft stick on top of that. And then if you can get 2 twisty ties, these are different lengths, but they'll work fine. These are just the same twisty ties that you use to twisty tie up your garbage bag. And so sometimes it helps to have another person who can kind of hold these in place. You do want to make sure that there's space between those 2 craft sticks, so you don't want to squeeze too hard. And you just twist it around, twist those twisty ties around, one on each end. All right. And then you want to blow through there. That's actually it. You're done. You ready? Oh, that's a good one. All right. Now that you're done, you might want to push those twisty ties down so you don't poke yourself with the wires. But you can decorate the top side. And I just really simply, all I did was take a yellow a yellow highlighter pen. And then I colored the whole thing. And then I took a black Sharpie marker and I made a face. And I made black stripes. And last but not least, the very last thing I did, you could finish making those stripes. The very last thing I did is I added, I took a chenille stick and just on the rubber band, not on the chenille sticks, just on the rubber band, I slid that chenille stick under, and I just twisted it around until I had what looked like wings. There's my Bumblebee, and they're really fun. And if you buy a whole pack of sticks, or if you eat a lot of popsicles, you can make lots of these. And sometimes they sound a little different depending on which type of straw you used. And don't worry if it doesn't work the first time. Usually the problem is that these are squeezed too tight, and you can just loosen up those twisty ties to get a better buzz. So isn't that neat? You have a little Bumblebee Kazoo, and now you can go pretend to be the little buzz pollinating bumblebee.